Once two best friends were going to their fields talking with each other. Both of them had a very good understanding. On the way, they got into a fight over something. The matter increased so much that one friend gave a slap to the other. The other friend didn't react to this and kept on moving forward silently. After walking a short distance, both stood near a well that was on the way. The one who was slapped started looking into the well. Suddenly, his foot slipped, but the other friend saved him from falling into the well. He thanked him and told this incident all his friends. The one who had slapped asked his friend, "When I slapped you, you didn't complain to anyone when I saved you from falling in the well. You told this to everyone." So his friend answered that good vibes should always be spread so that people can also do good deeds. After hearing his answer, his friend was shocked, and their friendship grew stronger